Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to Simply Gourmet Kitchen. Of course, it's another Saturday, so magluluto tayo ngayon, Asian barbecue spare ribs. Ito yung ating mga rekado. Meron tayong pork spare ribs, then meron tayong Star Anise, sweet and sour soy sauce, you got Hoisin sauce, you got crushed pineapple, apple cider vinegar, honey, meron tayong ketchup, soy sauce, light at saka dark, then meron tayong sibuyas, garlic, Chinese white wine, and then paminta. Gagawin lang natin dito, very simple, kitcheners. All you have to do, dump. Okay? So, painitin muna natin yung ating Salad Master Caldero. Okay, so nakikita nyo ngayon, ang gamit natin, we're using the 9 quarts brazier pan. And then, of course, meron din tayong 4.5 quarts mini brazier pan. This is our promotion for this month. So, gagawin lang natin, pinapainit natin, then, ilalagay natin yung ating spare ribs. Pero, ang kinaganda dito, wala na kayong gagawin. All you have to do, dump, dump, dump. Tandaan ninyo, dump, dump, dump. That's the way you cook your Asian spare ribs. Okay? Wala tayo. Okay. Pero, gawin natin simple, right? So, malapit na uminit to. Kitcheners. Then, sisimulan na natin. Okay, kitcheners. Gagawin lang natin. We will mix all your seasoning and your ingredients. Okay, meron tayo dito. Star Anise. Meron tayong sweet and sour soy sauce. Then you got your hoisin sauce. You got your pineapple crush. Yan. Then you got your honey. Not my honey. Okay. Then of course, meron tayong barbecue sauce, ketchup, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, yung inyong bawang, sibuyas, apple cider vinegar, then 2 kutsarang Chinese wine, then yung ating paminta. Ganyan lang gagawin natin. Kunin natin yung ating pork or spare ribs. So, gagawin lang ninyo, mix. Mix lang natin ng ganyan. Right? Gamitin ninyo yung mga kamay ninyo. Right? Kasi kung kayo naman ang kakain. So, ganyan lang gagawin natin. So, wala na kayong lalagay na juice dyan. Then, lalagay lang ninyo sa brazier pan. Maluluto na lahat yan. All you have to do, dump after this. Dami. Ilang batalyon ba kakain dito? Napakarami. Okay. Okay, so ganyan lang yan. So, hindi na kailangan i-marinate. Dahil pag nilagay nyo sa brazier pan yan, maluluto. Then, of course, matitiim na rin yung lasa niya. Okay. Oh, nalaglag ang pork. Okay. So, ganyan lang.
You don't need to put that part.
Okay. Alright. So, ngayon.
1, go.
Okay. So, ngayon, lalagay na natin yung ating pork. Ayan. Mainit na yung ating brazier pan. Yan, parang binabarbecue na rin niya yan. Since you don't make it nerd. So, look at that. Bango. Nakakagutom. Patayin mo na. Para may lagay ko muna lang. Ay, nabilinisin ko dito. Sandun mo.
I'll say something.
Okay, so ayan na siya. Salpak na natin lahat yan. Okay. Then, gagawin lang ninyo dyan. Takpan na natin. Lagay na natin yung timer. Yes. Okay, so kitcheners, after 10 minutes, tingnan lang natin kung anong ganap. Okay, this time, gagawin lang natin, we're gonna flip the fork. Okay, so lalagay natin yung nasa ilalim sa ibabaw. Look at, right? So nakikita ninyo, ganyan lang paggawa ng Asian barbecue spare ribs, right? Pag gamit nyo yung inyong brazier pan. And then look at this, di ba? Kanina, ginawa natin walang sabaw, pero look at this, look at the juice, right? Ayan yung juice niya ngayon, napakarami. So another 30 minutes, tingnan natin kung lalambot na siya. Then, after that, ready na yan. Okay, ganyan lang yan, tingnan ninyo. Okay, so balikan natin after 30 minutes. See you later. Ilang ka?
3, 2, 1.
And we're back! Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong ganap. Okay, so ayan na yung ating barbecue pork spare ribs after 45 minutes. Okay, so makikita ninyo, umihiwalay na yung buto. So ang gagawin lang natin dito, we're gonna leave or iwanan natin o tanggalin natin yung cover. Huwag na natin takpan. Why? Para matanggal yung sorry na. Ulit. Delete. And we're back! Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano ang ganap. Okay, so kitcheners, as you can see, your spare ribs is almost done. Or actually, it's already ready. Luto na yan, pwede na natin kainin. So ang gagawin lang natin dito, patagalin pa natin ng konti. Pero this time, walang cover. Bakit? Para mawala yung konting juice ng inyong barbecue. Of course, para maging sticky ng konti, if you want, you can add cornstarch later on. Okay, pero titingnan muna natin kung malambot na yung karne. Okay? Sandali lang.
You don't have to say sandali lang.
Sandali lang, titikman ni Kuya Renz.
I'm not gonna try it.
Titikman mo.
No.
Hindi ka lang papakita. Sige na. Okay? So, tingnan lang natin. Oh, my G. Talaga malambot. Pwede na tikman ni Kuya Renz. Kukuha tayo ng medyo malambot. Okay, dito. Okay, Nako, you tell me if the taste is good. Ayaw pakita. Good? Malambot na? Yummy?
Wow!
Oh, my G. Okay. So, okay na siya? Okay na?
I think you gave me fats.
More?
You gave me fats.
Oh, okay. So, bigyan kita ng konting laman.
I need to throw it away.
Ito, tingnan natin, ha?
Yeah.
Okay na? Timpla lahat. Tamang-tama, di ba? Yeah, so look at that. I didn't even taste it. Pero, nandyan yung lasa. Kitcheners, mamaya, isi-serve na natin yan. Okay, so, ang gawin lang ninyo, kunyari, mas maraming juice na ganito nakikita ninyo. All you have to do, lagyan lang ng konting cornstarch para maging sticky ang inyong barbecue spare ribs. Okay, so, ayan siya. Sarap. Para sa inyo, masarap. Not for me. Okay, see you again after 50. Alright, we're back, Kitcheners. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari. Okay, so ayan po yung ating spare ribs. Right, malambot na. All you have to do, lagyan lang natin ng cornstarch o yung slurry. Mix lang natin yan para lumapot ang inyong sauce. Okay, and then mix lang natin para magtikan lang yung sauce natin. Look at that. Turn it up. Now, look at that. Ganyang kabilis. Nagtikan ka agad. Sarap. No na. Ganyang kabilis, no? Okay, so ngayon, dito ko na lang ipe-plating. Dito na lang. Dito na lang, no? I'm not gonna take it out, no?
Take out something at least.
Take out something. Okay, tapos na tayo. Okay, so lalagay natin dito. Look at this. Oh my G.
Oh, wait.
Okay, look at
Hey,
your...
hold on. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so ayan, tingnan natin kung ano nangyayari. Ayan na yung ating spare ribs. Pwede na kayong kumain. Tingnan nyo yan, right? So, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch ang nilagay natin. Then of course, sabihin natin 1/4 cup of water. Tingnan nyo yung nangyari right away. Automatically, nawala yung tubig or yung juice ng inyong spare ribs. So, pwede nating serve to. Kainan bruise na tayo. Okay. Ganyan lang gagawin natin. So, this is too much. Okay, lagyan muna natin ng konting sauce. Konting sauce lang. Okay. Then, lagyan natin ng scallions. O dahon ng sibuyas. Okay. Kitcheners, your pork barbecue spare ribs. Luto na. Chow time!